risotto, which we're going to test out, and then we did a broccolini.
This is going to be big, I think. Perfect medium. All right, guys, so just to do a quick little room tour.
What's up, guys? Today we are here at the Seminole Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. We are going to be doing a weekend little vlog here. This is the one in Tampa, so the Seminole Hard Rock Tampa Hotel and Casino. We're going to show you guys a little bit of slot footage, some dinners, some food, some drinks, and just all around a good time. We like coming here. It's fun, it's enjoyable, it's relaxing. Hopefully it doesn't pour down rain tomorrow. We'll see you guys at dinner. All right, so we just sat down here at Suppresso. Here's their menu. I got a little bit of casino footage earlier, but I got stopped by security. Look how beautiful Sammy looks. She is now here. And we're gonna order some food. So we'll show you guys the food.
Yeah, we'll do a quick food recap. It's a quick Hard Rock vlog. It's a weekend in our life of Hard Rock.
That's right. So we'll show you guys food. All right, guys, so just to show you really quick. So they start out with just fresh focaccia. It's really pretty and soft with some butter. So good. All right, so we did something a little out of the ordinary. As appetizers, that's the risotto, which we're gonna test out, and then we did a broccolini. So we did appetizer, broccolini, and risotto. We're gonna try them out.
All right, so here is our risotto.
Risotto, broccolini. Let's try this.
The broccolini smells so good.
I can't think what these are, but these are what you
They're
use.
pine nuts, I think.
That's
Yeah,
what
and pesto.
The pesto. Try this right here.
The risotto.
I will tell you, very creamy, really good. Not as good as Hell's Kitchen.
Oh, well, yeah, I mean, come on now.
Broccolini's a 10.
Yeah, it smells
Crunchy,
so good.
It's al dente. Oh my God.
Yeah, but I like the al dente.
You could hear my, no, I'm telling you, if you could hear me crunch, it's
But it's good, like a good al dente. It looks
That's
good.
a 10.
I'm excited.
This is a 6.8.
6.8.
So here is our entrees. So let me just show both. That's the cheese. We're gonna sprinkle that on.
This is the bolognese tagliatelle.
That's the tagliatelle bolognese. Now I do something special.
It's
So this is the Alfredo snow crab pasta. However, I don't like Alfredo sauce. It kind of makes me sick. So I asked them to sub Alfredo and do pesto. Normally it's a light pesto. They really hammered it with the pesto. I also changed from tagliatelle to spaghetti. Now just so everybody knows, all of their pastas here are 100% made in-house. All right, we're gonna dig in and try them. Here you go, Sammy's gonna try her bolognese.
We're gonna makeshift this work, okay? I don't know. So you can tell it's real pasta because it's that slight al dente pasta that's so good. And honestly, I've only had one little bite, but the meat sauce is really good. I love this place.
It's amazing. I also had this. There's so much crab in here. It's amazing.
Really?
Yeah, look, there's a piece of crab right there. There's crab all through this. Put a little too much pesto on it for me, but it's amazing. So we're gonna eat up. All right, guys, and just a quick finish off. Here's the bill, $130 for everything we got. We are heading out to the casino.
So much food, really good. Fresh pasta, good meat sauce.
Yep, fresh pasta, good meat sauce. Here's this restaurant. It's really pretty. These are nickels. Oh my God, it's gonna be a big one. This is right off another hand pay. This is gonna be big, I think. $16 spins left. Let's fill it up. Come on, fill it. 2 spins left. Last spin. Undo it. Oh. Nice bonus. Alright, nice. It's got a bonus. 375 bet. This the middle one. Come on, we got the major free games, 10 of them. Line some up here. Doesn't look that good. Big win, 64. We need more than that. Some really loud music in here tonight. The volume all the way up. All right, 3x.
And doesn't look that good. All right, we got 42 wilds left for 5 more games. Now, this one could be decent right here. Come on, line something good up on that line. 125. Come on. All right, line some on the left. That may be decent. 150. 29 wilds, 3 free games left. That's good. We don't want this. We don't want these to go. We want a big one on the last one. So we don't want mini wilds. Come on, stop. All right, good. We don't want mini wilds on these because we're gonna get whatever's left on the last game. All right, stop. We don't want this one. Stop. We don't want no more. We don't want any more. All right, so we got 15 wilds on the last game. That may be a decent line hit. Yep. All right, how much? 200 bucks. All right, we got 14 wilds. This could be a good one right here. So we need some serious wilds. Come on, wilds, line them up. We need a couple lines of wilds with multipliers. Come on, line it up. Come on, we need more of that. We need more. Nah, not even a line really. I guess that's gonna be all right. How much? Big winner. How much? Like 120 bucks on the end. So 333, not bad. That's basically 100x. So pretty good. So there we go. Another bonus. Massive win. All right, we'll see if we get anything else. All right, it is day number 2, and we are hanging out at the pool. It is so windy today. But look how beautiful this pool is. They normally have cornhole out here.
I love this pool.
The food is fantastic. We'll show you guys.
So good.
Show you guys the food, the drinks, and
last night was fun.
we gambled a load.
Yeah, we lost a lot. He won like a little bit, but then we lost it all.
Yep.
But it was fun. We tried to change rooms because I'm not gonna lie, if you come here, don't go in the West Tower.
It smells so bad.
It's just the older tower.
So that's the West Tower, and then what's behind us, that's the brand new East Tower. So you want to stay in the East Tower.
Yeah, because it stinks. Like you.
Yeah, you want to stay in the East Tower. But we're gonna order some food. We'll show you guys that. We're hanging out. All right. So just to show you guys some pool food, this you actually have to order inside the pool restaurant, which is up in here. But we did the quesadilla, which is our favorite, chicken quesadilla. It's amazing. Those are the grouper bites. They are fantastic. Waffle fries, and that's their burger.
Smash burger.
Smash burger.
I haven't had it yet, but I've had it before and it was really good.
All really good stuff.
I guess
Perfect medium. All right, so here's the pool menu. It's really windy out here, so it's making it hard. Here are your drinks. And then it's a little confusing. Here's your food. And then we got the backside here. Now these are 2 different menus. So you've actually got a pool bar. You got the pool menu. This is everything that you can actually order while sitting at the pool. And then this is this other side of the menu that you only order if you are actually sitting in the restaurant. Now, oddly, you don't realize that there's a pool burger that Sammy thought she ordered, and there is a restaurant burger. The restaurant burger is just a regular patty. The pool burger is a smash burger that's amazing. So don't get confused. There's a smash burger, which is 2 patties, and the pool burger, which you can only order inside of that area over there. If you're actually sitting at a table. You cannot order this full menu out here. You can only order the pool menu. So we're about to head up, but just a couple more shots. So that's the brand new East Tower. Look how nice this is. They got a full fire pit out here. It's like a centerpiece, but yeah, it's a fire pit with seating. And then they have another private pool back there. And if you're interested in spa treatments, you walk right through those doors. That's the way you get to the spa. And then our hotel, we've got a back entrance on that side that we're gonna walk to. And this is normally where they have the cornhole set up, is right here. There you go. West Tower entrance, not the tower you want to be in. All right, guys, so just to do a quick little room tour, we are in the West Tower Deluxe King non-smoking room. You have a safe over here where you can do your valuables. You got a luggage holder. You got robes if you want to walk around with robes. So that's your quick closet. You've got a full stand-up mirror where you can see Sammy over there. This is going to be your shower. Nice little his and hers vanities, 2 large mirrors, pretty standard toilet and tub. If you stay in the shower, if you stay in the other East Tower, they have almost like an ensuite. It's incredible, their bathroom. But that's your little bathroom. As you walk in, you've got a couch area, you've got a king-size bed, nightstands, tons of charging areas, which is good. Comes with a TV, Comes with a Keurig, which is nice. You make your coffees. They always put waters in there, which is nice. So those are some free waters. I will tell you one nice thing is these rooms actually come with an empty fridge. So if you want to bring drinks or food or anything like that, there's actually a full empty fridge in every single room you stay at here, which is really nice. So you get a little serving table with a couple chairs, ice bucket, couch, and that is your full room. Not much to look at, but just a quick little room tour for you guys to see what you're dealing with over here.
All right, guys, so we enjoyed the pool and have had a great afternoon. I'm telling you, that pool bar food is the best, one of the top restaurants at the Seminole Hard Rock in Tampa. It was packed and the food is amazing. Go give it a shot. Also, Suppress is amazing and Rez is amazing. I'm not a big fan of Council Oak. We've been there multiple times. Multiple times I've been disappointed. Go to Rez, go to Suppresso, go to the pool bar. Fantastic. We are all dressed up now. We are actually not doing dinner here this evening. We are going over to Ivaroni's, which is a beautiful Italian kind of restaurant about 20 minutes from here. So maybe we'll show you a little bit of it, but this is a Hard Rock vlog, so probably not going to really put that in there, but just maybe show you the food. Then we're going to come back, we're going to gamble a little bit more. We might do some ice cream tonight. They have this ice cream that's infused with alcohol, which is really cool. And so we'll do that. And we got a great night ahead of us. So we will see you guys at dinner. So just going to do a short snippet, but this is Ivaroni's. Here's their menu. Appetizers, salads, fresh seafood. So they got, all right, so as appetizers, we did their beautiful French onion soup and a side Caesar.
We were going to split a big Caesar, but he was like, let's just do 2 side Caesars.
It was only $5
yeah,
each.
but it was still plenty of food.
Yeah, and look how pretty.
Yeah, I haven't tried that yet, but that was honestly really good. I really like that.
Wow, our food just arrived. I think we have enough to feed a family of 6.
I think for a family of 12.
So I did the porterhouse. Absolutely massive. That's their side of fettuccine. Looks really pretty.
4 pieces of chicken.
And Sammy did the chicken piccata. Look at that thing.
I don't even know what to do with that.
Chicken
it's like
piccata.
bigger than Carrabba's.
Side of that.
That's actually the only small thing in the place.
Yeah, the little baked potato, and then this spinach. So
yeah,
we're gonna eat our food.
Okay, we're gonna attempt.
Yeah.
Literal.
Well, we haven't really made a dent.
I feel like I've made a dent, but I feel like I'm dying.
Sammy has.
I swear I ate more than it looks.
Oh my God, it was incredible. Look at this cook on that steak.
Come here, but maybe share.
There's the bill right there. $188 plus tip. So there's Council Oak, but it's kind of cool on this side. When we go up these escalators.
They've been closed for forever. They finally reopened.
So this is Rockin' Raw. They also have a yeah, it's Rockin' Raw. They also have like a players club up here, Noodle Bar. Well, no, not up here. I'm saying they have like a players club up here. And this also used to be where the buffet was, but they closed it now. Wow, it's pretty happening over there. So one day we may have to come and try this. It's slammed. It looks kind of nice. Look, they got small plates. Pretty good. We may have to come back and try it. And then this is the escalator down. I'm gonna get a little video of the casino here.
We're being lazy. We're not taking the stairs. I'm sorry.
What are we doing?
Not taking the stairs.
Oh yeah, we are being lazy, not taking the stairs. Look at this. This is really cool. This is actually a chocolatier makes this. This is all made out of real chocolate. They change this like a couple times a year. That's really neat. This is in front of Constant Grind, which is at the elevators that you take up to the smoke-free area, right in the middle of the casino. This is between the 2 sides of the casino. They do ice cream and sandwiches. They're really cool. 25. I've got 17 of these blue wilds. 225. I bet this is gonna go off on this next one. Oh wow, it didn't. So one of these is gonna go off. It's gonna be oh, can we hit something? Oh, they're all due big time. There it goes. This is gonna be pretty good right here. 17 added wilds. Let's see what it comes to. All right, we need to make a couple lines of wilds. That's what we need. We need some lines of wild. More. There we go. More. All right, that's going to be, come on, make a good symbol. That may be decent. How much? A huge win. $95 on that line here. That's pretty good. The pinball, $2 denomination, and we got the new one here. So what we want is we want the +1 shot right there. Well, +1 shot. Nope, 30. Not very good. We're betting 20 a spin, I think. 50.
Alright, we're not doing so good here. We need the +1 shots. There we go. Alright, an extra shot, 100 bucks. Cashed out my money, so I got a smaller ticket here. 120, alright, that's not terrible. We've got, I think, 1 shot left. Come on, +1 shot. 100 +1 shot. 80. Well, update, we're just up here in non-smoking area.
Nice.
Oh, it's so nice, it doesn't smell. Just hanging out. Dead today. Non-smoking, just hanging out. Gonna get a drink here in a minute, and then we're gonna call it a night here shortly. All right, guys, well, with that, we are calling it a night. Sammy played some blackjack. She was having fun, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. I know it's a little different. It was probably spliced together. We kind of just hit and did a bunch of different things. Hey, come check out the Hard Rock. It's fantastic. Great hospitality. Love the place. Stay in the East Tower. The West is not that good, and we'll see you guys in the next video.